Hello students, welcome to Engineering Chemistry course of First BTech online classroom. My name is Dr. B. Jyotirmayi, Associate Professor in Chemistry, GRIT. After hearing to the word chemistry, many of you may have thought about chemistry laboratory, the glassware, burettes, acids, bases, and some of your thoughts may have been associated with the scientists who are working madly for hours and hours in front of these chemicals on their workbenches. And at times, many of your thoughts might have been rounding about boiling solutions, changing in colors. I think some of your thoughts are also associated with chemical equations, models, molecules, and especially the well-known Mendeleev's periodic table. But what is there in engineering regarding chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science which is associated with all other branches of engineering. So the present slide shows you how important is chemistry for the other branches. Chemistry is an international language which deals with atmospheric and earth sciences, physical and biological sciences. Chemistry language is rich and fascinating. It also creates images of aesthetic beauty. I may be boasting about the chemistry language because what we breathe in is chemistry and what we breathe out is chemistry. Even plants prepare their own food from chemistry. At the same time, entire human body is made up of chemistry. So, most major component in our body is carbon, at the same time water. What is the role of a chemical engineer? Why he has to learn chemistry? He or she, as a chemical engineer, has to design and troubleshoot process for production of chemical and pharmaceuticals. A civil engineer must know about the nature of soil, rocks, concrete and steel. A mechanical engineer should have an idea about materials and fuels for better efficiency, which is nothing but chemistry. Fuels are nothing but hydrocarbons, carbon, hydrogen. An electric and electronic engineer has to know about electrons, conduction, fuel cells and batteries. You may be wondering why a computer science engineer should know about chemistry. Today, major role is in IoT and also designing new medical instruments where computers are coupled with chemistry. They have designed MRI and we have also designed many other instruments related to spectroscopy, which are major tools in analysis. So, before going to the entire course, let us go for the course objectives to relate how basic concepts of principles of chemistry can be applied for practical utility in a broader perspective of the society. And the objective of the course is to distinguish the ranges of electromagnetic spectrum and also know different spectroscopic techniques at molecular level, to identify and apply various principles of electrochemistry, corrosion and water treatment as an engineer in the industry, and also to acquire knowledge of existence of different organic molecules in different stereochemical orientations. And to be a perfect engineer, we will be able to develop your skills and bring you to adapt some concepts of chemistry. At the same time, after completion of the course, you may go out with the knowledge of chemistry in terms of atomic and molecular orbitals. At the same time, regarding some spectroscopic techniques and their applications in medicine. And you will recognize various problems related to electrochemistry, corrosion in the industry. At the same time, at the end of the course, you will come about the origin of different types of engineering materials used in modern technology. At the same time, you should have been having a knowledge of fossil fuels and their effective utilization in energy sources. So, basically, all our units comprise of all these topics: atomic and molecular structure, molecular spectroscopy, electrochemistry and corrosion, energy sources, stereochemistry, etc. At the same time, now it's high time for all the engineers to learn chemistry and to develop the nation. So, what are the thoughts you are associated with chemistry? You just leave them behind and come with the fresh thoughts that some chemistry is being related to your field, your career, and also for your future. Thank you.